Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well, and I am back here with another video, soft glam look with bold lips. I know bold lips are not everyone's cup of tea, but it's okay. You can pop with your favorite color or with nudish color as well as lighter lipstick. So without any further ado and intro, let's move on to the video. Yes, my face is already cleansed, moisturized. So moving on to the primer, I will be using this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Primer. It is a good primer indeed because it gives a highlighting effect as well. A little bit of pump here and there. This much is pretty enough. So I'm done with my primer. Next, moving on to the color correcting part, I will be using the Swiss Beauty Cover Studio palette, and I'm gonna be using this orange shade to color correct my dark circles and the discoloration I'm having on my skin. I will be using the same Swiss Beauty Cover Studio palette for my foundation as well as my concealer, and for my foundation I will be using this shade as my base or my foundation. Today I am using a brush for my foundation. Done with the foundation, I will be using this shade from the same palette as my concealer. For my contour, I will be using this NYB contour stick in the shade Toast. I'm using a brush like this, a little bit angular brush, so that my contour blends well. Next, I will be baking the usual areas I like to bake with the help of a sponge. Let my bake sit for a few minutes. Till then, I will be filling my brows, and I will be surely providing you the link in the description box where I have shown that how I fill my brows with some few tips and tricks as well. So I'm done with filling my brows, and I will be removing the bake with the help of a brush. Next for my eyes, I will be using this Maybelline Nudes palette and I will be using this brown shade for my crease. With the transition color, next I will be taking this shade from the same palette, dark grey sort of a shade, so that my crease looks a little bit darker. Blend your eyeshadow well so that there is no harsh line on the crease and your eyeshadow pops up. My lash line, I will be using that same two colors, this brown color and this grey color for my lower lash line, and I will be blending this well so that it intensifies the lower lash line as well. I have drawn a small crease in front of my eyes with the help of a concealer and a brush. Next I will be using this shade from the Maybelline Nudes palette, a little bit of shimmery white color shade, and I will be just using my hands, my fingers, and I will be just pressing it over my eyelids. Next I will be using this Maybelline Falsies Push Up Shower Mascara and I will be just coating it over my eyelashes. As you can see that I have popped on my lashes off camera. Next, moving on to the blush, I will be mixing these two blushes, Wet n Wild blush and this Deborah Milano blush, and I will be mixing this together and I will be just applying it. With my blush, next the favorite part of my makeup is right here. Finally it is right here. Is this iconic London Illuminator highlighters are my favorite part of makeup, and yes, this is a good illuminator indeed, and this highlighter was gifted to me by someone special. And yes, if you are watching my video, love you a lot, and yes, thanks for this highlight. It is a lovely highlighter. I loved it a lot. Done with my highlighter. Next I will be moving to lipstick, and I will be using this two shades lipstick, and I will be mixing this together and I will be applying it on my lips. last but not the least, I have used this NYX makeup setting spray, and I will be mentioning all the products which I have used to complete this look in the description box below, so don't forget to check my description box. So yes guys, this is the final look in front of you. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I think that this video was quite easy as well as helpful to you, and if you did, just don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will actually mean a lot. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook as well as on Snapchat, and I will be mentioning you all the links in the description box, as well as I will be mentioning you the previous video, the eyebrow filling tutorial which I have done recently, and I will be providing you each and every link in the description box, so don't forget to check my description box. So guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye.